where are you going, dude? I didn't start the fire. It's all that guy's fault.
And how he has dominated. Yes, a PGA that does not have a lot of stars who are over on live. We know that. He still is playing dominant golf. And when
Wait, what was that behind me?
The Masters, he faced every one of the top 50 players in the world. You have the presence of Marvin Harrison Jr. And while some people try to dismiss that, do not.
Red light, run, so close to me. Red light, run, so close. One of my favorite bands on the radio. I can't do a good red light song for them. Oh, what am I gonna do? Don't stand so close to me. Don't run the red light now. You ran the red light again. Your friends are so jealous. You get to be in one of my videos. Sometimes it's not so easy to wait at the red lights. You're stuck there at the next red light. You didn't save any time.
But I could not. And my feet kept walking at the same steady pace.
No, stop.
As though they were not my own feet at all. When I was almost up to Nancy, to where she was kneeling.
Gee, I wonder why that stop sign was there. Maybe it was because people are coming and people need that left lane. You know, maybe.
To patches of color.
It was completely clear. Like, it was exactly what you could have written in Hollywood script. I don't know if this.
No, stop.
I might sound stupid to anyone who actually.
No, someone actually stopped. Good job.
But luckily for you, I do understand that you're up.
Creighton is now double teaming and blitzing those two players with 3 and sometimes 4 players because they know no one else can touch the ball. They are making life very difficult.
Wait, what the fuck?
He had
really?
one situation. It was not yet.
Sorry, old turd.
They would have been.
Where's this guy going?
Those are fine rounds. But when Scheffler comes out about him doing that now, remember this. If you're one of the people who said, hey, regardless of price.
That was red. Really?
Tiger Woods like. He was 4-1. The next favorite was 11-1. Very good couple of days for the Yankees against their nemesis in Houston. Now for the Mets. We all know the law
Exit
of the Mets.
dive.
Opening day, they find a way to win. Their record has been unbelievable.
Total accumulation. And
no, I believe that, based on how much
it's
often
really
I shoveled my
deep out there.
driveway.
It is actually so deep. And I
You know what? I want to go to High Peaks
every year, but I actually feel like for what this winter was,
Yeah.
I really feel
Red
like we're gonna
light
have
run.
some
Red light
stellar
run.
to, like,
Red light run.
Probably less than a mile from the airport. It got old. But anyways, continue.
Yeah.
No,
stop. What's crazy is they were. I don't know why they charged so little for this, but they're.
Although they wound up covering with a late 3 in overtime, they still lost the game. And when you look at the tally,
nice cutoff.
You had Kansas losing a 4.
Red light run. Red light run. Red light run. Really? Alright, let's see how many people screw up the stop sign here in the lovely town of Utica. Stopped. Good. Toyo turd. You're kind of at a weird angle, but you're stopped, so I guess that's okay. And you were kind of at the line, so you were stopped too. Good job. And of course, the guy behind me had to ruin everything. Dodge Ram van drivers, they suck. All of them do.
So that is clearly a line to let everyone.
Red light run. Red light run. Red light run. Nope. Behind me.
To wrench at my skirts, holding my head down by the hair. So I bit him hard on the ear.
Exit
He
regret.
roared out, and I thought he might kill me.
Right turn lane dive. Up there. You get the point. And I did not run that red. Nope. Exit dive.
Yeah, no, I you know, when they started talking about the eclipse, and you know, they were
No
saying,
stop. Nissan drivers.
They were saying there's going to be more people here than during the 1980s.
Going on, and just like they had to move the pond hockey down to the near the speed oval, and they said that was their busiest day.
Red light run. Red light run. Red red light run.
Band because you decided.
I know how to do it.
I don't know how to ski. This seems fun.
No, stop.
Let me try it. Oh, that was cool. Let me try to keep doing it and try to get better.
Shit out. So that's what I learned. But I like those fucking places. Like, you got to go in and they ask for your ID and stuff. And it's like, okay. And then they like scan it and start writing shit down. It's like, I'm not fucking taking my license.
Ah, nice cut off behind me.
This isn't even legal on a federal level. I'm gonna trust you.
Immigration czar or whatever. They used to do this back in the day when they'd put a guy in front of it and they'd call him a czar.
Another pet peeve of mine. We'll go on there.
Okay, wait, you didn't like it that we were called a czar?
We have a democracy.
What do you need a czar for?
We're trying to get rid of monarchs.
Not right turn dive and right turn regret.
We've got a drug czar.
I think he moved over earlier too. No stopping. Oh look, there's a car here, Toyota. Who would have thought you have to stop at the stop signs to wait for cars to go by? Idiot.
From the way he always looked at the breakfast table. Then they started in to question me about the murders, and I was at a loss. For as you know, sir, I could not rightly remember the events.
Red light run, red light right. Syracuse police who's all the way out here in Verona for some reason ran the red light. What a great example that you set for the rest of us. Woohoo!